Okay, we're going to go ahead and begin. So lesson 9.9, page 541, we are going to learn about hexagons, okay? Identify and name hexagons. How can you identify and name a hexagon? Well, it's pretty easy, right? Let's figure out what we need to know about a hexagon. And I know you guys are super, super smart. You're going to get this super fast. Okay, hexagon has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon also has 6 points, vertex, okay? Right there, remember, vertex is when 2 lines meet and they connect, okay? That corner is a vertex right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's where 2 lines meet, okay? That point is the vertex. So it has 6 sides and 6 vertex, okay? That is what a hexagon has. Kind of looks like a stop sign, okay? Kind of looks like a stop sign, okay? All right, now I'm gonna draw a shape, and you will tell me if it's a hexagon, yes or no. Okay, I'm gonna call in somebody's name. I'm gonna draw a shape, and you're gonna tell me if it's a hexagon, yes or no. Okay, all right. I'm gonna call on, Gerardo. Tell me what this shape is. Is this shape a hexagon, yes or no? This shape right here that I'm drawing, is this a hexagon, yes or no? Turn on your microphone, Gerardo. On this side, we're going to draw yes, all the hexagons, and on this side, all the ones that are not. So Gerardo, turn on your microphone. Are you there, Gerardo? Is this shape right here a hexagon, yes or no, Gerardo?
No.
No, good job, Gerardo. So we're gonna draw this shape right here, Gerardo. Right here. Good job. So, Gerardo, we know this shape is not a hexagon because it doesn't have any sides, right? It has no sides. It has a curve, right? It goes round and round and round. This one has lines. This one right here that I drew, that's a hexagon. That one has lines. This one over here does not. Good job. Good job. Thank you, Gerardo. All right, the next person is going to be Richard. Richard, okay? Richard, I'm gonna draw this shape right here for you, buddy, and you're gonna tell me if it's a hexagon, yes or no. Here we go.
Okay. But why did you tell me that?
Okay.
Is this shape a hexagon, yes or no?
No.
No. Why is it
A
not
square.
a square? Why is it not a hexagon?
Because it's short.
It's short. Well, how many sides does a hexagon have? How many
6.
sides? 6. Does this have 6 sides? The square?
No.
No. That's one of the things we can identify and know that it's not a hexagon.
This is a weird thing from a square. It's not a hexagon.
Thank you, Richard. All right, the next person I'm going to call is on Russell. Russell, please tell me if you think this shape is a hexagon, yes or no. Turn on your microphone and let me know.
Russell had to run to the restroom.
Oh, okay,
So-
thank you.
Sorry.
That's okay. I'm gonna call on Tomas. Tomas. Is this a hexagon, Tomas? Yes or no?
No.
No. Why is it not a hexagon, Tomas? Can you tell me why it's not? We're going to draw it on this side because it's not. Tomas says it isn't. Why is it not a hexagon? How many sides does a hexagon have, Tomas? Turn on your microphone, honey, so I can hear you. How many sides does a hexagon have?
4.
Oh, let's see. The hexagon's over here. Let's count how many sides. Ready? Count with me. 1,
2, 3, 4,
5, and the last one is
6.
6. So a hexagon has 6 sides. This shape is a hexagon and it has 6 sides. How many does this shape have? Count them. 1, 2, 3,
3,
and how many more?
4.
It has 4 sides. So is it a hexagon?
No.
No, no. Now, what shape is this one right here, Tomas? What shape is it? What's it called? Do you remember? You want me to give you a clue? Ready?
Yeah.
What is it? Rectang. You said it. Yes, right? Because it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, right? That's what makes it a rectangle, okay? So yes, this shape right here, Tomas, is not a hexagon because a hexagon has to have 6 sides and 6 vertex, and this only has 4 sides and 4 vertex and has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, so it cannot be. Thank you very much, Tomas. You may mute yourself. All right, let's see here. Oopsie, I deleted it all. Let me see if I can undo. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw another shape right over here. And I'm gonna call on Calvin. Calvin, your turn. You're gonna tell me if this is a hexagon, yes or no. Is this shape that I'm drawing for you a hexagon, yes or no?
No.
Why not?
Because it has 3 sides.
1, 2, 3, and what else does it have that it makes it not a
vertex.
3 vertex? 1, 2, 3. And how many sides does a hexagon have?
6.
6. So this one only has 3 sides and 3 vertex. So it cannot be a hexagon because hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertex. So yes, you are correct, Calvin. So we're going to draw it on this side. So everybody should have these shapes right over here on the right side that are not hexagons. We have a circle, a square, and a rectangle, and a triangle. Okay, thank you very much, Calvin. All right, now I'm going to call on, let's see here, Maggie. Maggie, your turn. I'm going to draw a shape, and you're going to tell me if it's a hexagon, yes or no. Here we go. You know what? Let me draw that one better. It's not the prettiest. It's kind of, there we go. Ready? Here we go. Doing my best. Is that a hexagon? Yes or no? Maggie?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Can you tell me why?
It has 6 vertex and 6 sides?
All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, it has 6 sides. And then you say that it has 6 vertex. Well, let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Yes, that one is a vertex. I mean, this is a hexagon. So we're going to go ahead and draw that shape over here. So everybody draw a hexagon. So you'll draw a line at the top, okay? Draw a line at the bottom, and then you're going to draw one line kind of angled out, and then the other angled out again, out, and then come back in, and then that is a vertex. I mean, a hexagon. I keep saying vertex. Hexagon. All right. Okay, so everybody should have these shapes on your paper, and we're going to move on. I'm going to go ahead and clear this up. You can mute yourself, honey. Thank you. All right. All right. This is super easy, right? The next page says we need to mark an X on all the hexagons. Remember, a hexagon has 6 sides, 6 vertex, and that's a hexagon. So I'm going to draw for you one more time, and I want you to start marking X's on all the hexagons that you see on the page, okay? I'm going to go ahead and draw it for you right here. It has line at the top, line at the bottom, and it's not that great. Here we go. Okay, remember, it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 vertex where 2 lines meet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so look for the vertex, look for the hexagon right here, hexagons.
Did it.
Awesome, Maggie was superstar. She's already done. Okay, we're gonna do together. Keep on going. If you're not finished,
I'm already done.
Okay, you do not have to tell me you're done. Boys and girls, you do not have to tell me you're done because then you're interrupting me, okay? All right, so if you're done, just wait patiently, okay? All right, I'm gonna look at all the ones that I think are hexagons and I hope you got them correct, okay? So I see this shape right here, and this shape, we're gonna count all the sides because it looks like it has a lot of sides. So I'm gonna double check it's not a hexagon, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, has 6 sides. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it has 6 vertex. So yes, this one right here is a hexagon. So I'm going to put an X on it because it is a hexagon. It has everything a hexagon needs to have. 6 sides and 6 vertex. All right, this one doesn't look like it has that many sides. Looks like it has 1, 2, 3. So no. No, this one has curve. Curve is a circle. Nope. This one looks like it might. Let's count the sides just in case. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, only has 4 sides, and I need 6 for it to be a hexagon. Green one right here. Circle has curve. This one looks like it might be, but let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, only has 4 sides. I need more. Cannot be 1. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Nope again. All right, let's look at this other one right here. It's smaller, but it looks like it has a lot of sides. We're going to double check. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Let's see if it has 6 vertex. Let me just put a little dot on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that one is. So I'm going to go ahead and put an X on it because it is. Okay. So that one is. So a good little X on it. This one doesn't look like it has that many sides, so I'm not gonna even mess that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I see it has 6 vertex. So that one will be a hexagon. So let's mark it. Oopsie. There we go. This one doesn't have no sides, so it is not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, it is not. So we're gonna go ahead and not put an X on that one, okay? And then the last shape right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, that one is a hexagon. So I'm gonna put an X on that one. Okay, so it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 hexagons on this page. Okay, hopefully you got all those correct and marked an X on all the hexagons. All right, we're moving on to the next page. Let's see what else we're gonna do. All right, this looks like we're gonna color all the hexagons in this page. So take out one color crayon, only one, and you're only gonna color the hexagon, okay? You're only gonna color the hexagon. Remember, hexagon has 6 sides. 6 sides and 6 vertex. And make sure you put little lines on each of the sides to double check you have the correct shape. Okay, so go ahead and color all the hexagons. Okay, I'm gonna give you a few minutes while you do that. Look at all the shapes. Double count, and some are really tiny, but make sure that they have sides. Okay, count the sides. Even though they're really tiny shape, there can be a hexagon in there if it has 6 sides and 6 vertex. Okay, so go ahead and finish that. I'll give you just a couple of minutes. Okay, so those are all the ones that you should have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hexagons on the coloring page. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase this and move on and see what we have to do on the next page. Okay. All right, number 3 up here, all these red shapes right here. We are going to look at Ryan's shape. So these are all Ryan's shapes. Okay, and which shapes are hexagons, right? Which ones are hexagons? We're gonna help Ryan and mark all the hexagons with a big X, okay? So remember, hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertex. So go ahead and put a huge X on the one that is a hexagon. And I'm going to call on someone, oopsie, to tell me which one they thought was the hexagon. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it has 6 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, a vertex is one line and another line connect where they meet. That corner or wherever they meet is the vertex, okay? So I'm going to call on, see which shape. Nizaya. Which one of these shapes of Ryan's is a hexagon? Is it number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Which one is it? Turn on your microphone so we can hear you. Which of Orion's shapes is a hexagon?
They went to the bathroom.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you, Leah. All right. I'm going to call on someone else about, let's see, Ayla, go ahead and tell me. Which ones are hexagons? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? How many do you see?
2.
2 of them. Then two, you see two of them or number two? Sorry.
Number 2.
Number two. Okay, so yes, number two is correct because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and then it has 6 vertex. Okay, what other one is there? Is there another one or is that the only one?
There's another one.
Which one? Which number is it?
5.
Number 5. Good job, Ayla. Yes, you are correct. All right, thank you. Yes, so number 2 and 5, Ayla says, and she is correct. 2 and 5 are hexagons because they have 6 sides and 6 vertex. Now, down here at the very bottom, this is what you're going to do, okay? It says, draw to show what you know about a hexagon, okay? So that means you got to draw everything you know about a hexagon. What do you know about a hexagon? Well, a hexagon has 6 sides. A hexagon has 6 vertex. So go ahead and draw your hexagon, what you know about a hexagon. Remember, we know that a hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertex. So right here, that's what I want you to do. When you are done with that, we'll move on to the homework. So I'm going to give everybody a couple minutes to draw your hexagon with 6 sides and 6 vertex. Remember, 2 sides connect, that is a vertex, okay? We always circle the vertex so we know where they connect, okay? And then the sides, we always put a little line on it so that way we know that's a side, okay?
I'm done.
Perfect. All right, so remember, here we go. This is a hexagon. We know it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Oopsie, let me draw them better. 4, 5, and 6 sides. So let me double check. I have my 6 sides. Okay, always double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 sides. Now, how many vertex? I should have 6 vertex. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 sides. So we're going to write 6 sides on here. So everybody write 6 sides because that's what we know about a hexagon. 6 sides. And then we also know that a hexagon has 6 vertex. So make sure you write that down. So that shows me that you know, this is all you know about the hexagon, that it has 6 sides and 6 vertex. Okay, go ahead and finish that. And then once you're done with that, we are going to talk about the homework. I have somebody who has their microphone on. Please turn it off. Thank you. Okay, so once you write that, draw a hexagon and show me all the sides and the vertex, and you write 6 sides and 6 vertex, let's talk about the homework. All right, easy peasy right here. We are going to color the hexagons in this picture. Remember, 6 sides, 6 vertex is what a hexagon has, okay? So only color the hexagons. Don't color any other shape, just the hexagon. So that's your page 1 for homework. Page 2, at the very top up here, you have to put an X on the hexagon. Okay, remember the hexagon has 6 sides, 6 vertex. So put an X on the hexagon, or it says you can color it as well, either one. Okay, and then here you're going to count the numbers. You're going to start with number 71 and keep going until you count. It says begin with 81. So where's 81? Let's see, where's 81? There's 71. Here's 81. Right there, and it says you're going to count forward. So you're going to keep going forward until you count to 90. So you're going to go 81, 82, 83, 84. Keep counting until you get to 90, okay? And then go ahead and what is the next number? And then draw a line under that number, okay? And then here we have a 10 frame. Look at that. We have some that are gray and some that are white. So we have some counters that are gray and some that are white. So we're gonna put how many we have gray right here, how many we have that are white. So all the counters that are gray, we're gonna count them and write it here. And then all the ones that are white, we're gonna count them here. So then we're gonna say, we have the number of how many that are gray plus how many we have white. Tell me the total. How many do we have all together? So we have some that are gray plus some that are white equals how many all together, okay? And that's a math problem right there, okay? Add all the grays and then add how many white equal how many all together in this 10 frame. So that is your homework for today. Make sure you finish your homework today and also your reading today. And then a lot of you this week got your alphabet letters. Make sure you're practicing your alphabet letters and sounds. It's so important for you to know those because you will be starting to read pretty soon. We're practicing reading and writing. So you need to know those sounds in order to read and write, okay? So practice, 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 practice. It's so important. Okay, that is your math. Go ahead and finish that up if you can. If not, here in about 3 more minutes, we're going to go ahead and take a 5-minute break.
I finished my homework.